Interest rate relief expected for South Africans. Standard Bank forecasts interest rate cuts. The South African Reserve Bank, SARB, is anticipated to reduce interest rates 4 times in 2024, with a 25 basis points cut each time, according to Standard Bank's chief economist, Gulam Balam. Repo rate to decline. This series of cuts is expected to lower the repo rate to 7.25% by the end of the year, aiding in moderating inflation towards the Reserve Bank's target range of 3% to 6%. Potential precedents over U.S. Federal Reserve. There is speculation that South Africa might cut rates before the U.S. Federal Reserve if inflation cools sufficiently, despite recent indications of a delayed rate-cutting cycle by U.S. policymakers. Economic growth predictions. Despite the anticipated rate cuts, household spending is expected to remain subdued due to historical rate hikes, leading to a forecasted economic growth rate of 1.2% for South Africa in 2024. Election uncertainty and economic impact. The upcoming national elections in South Africa are expected to bring about a period of high uncertainty in the first half of the year, with potential economic implications. However, it is anticipated that the reform agenda will continue, although issues such as crime and local governance will persist. Challenges at Eskom and Transnet. Economic growth will also be influenced by crises at Eskom and Transnet, with logistics bottlenecks and electricity shortages expected to impact growth. Nevertheless, improvements are expected as the government's reform agenda progresses and the private sector invests in these sectors throughout 2024.